Changelly Crypto Exchange Review. My usage experience. Changelly is a non-custodial crypto exchange designed for users who value speed, simplicity, and a wide range of crypto options. With support for over 500 cryptocurrencies, it caters to both beginners and experienced traders who need fast asset swaps or fiat to crypto transactions. Its standout feature is its instant exchange capability, allowing you to convert crypto to crypto within minutes without creating an account or enduring lengthy verifications. Changelly also offers competitive exchange rates by scanning various liquidity providers, ensuring you get optimal deals. For those looking to purchase crypto with fiat, Changelly supports multiple payment methods, including credit cards, Apple Pay, and bank transfers, though fees can be on the higher side depending on your payment provider. From my experience, the interface is straightforward and clean, making it easy to use even if you're new to crypto. The transaction process is seamless. You select the currencies, input the wallet address, and confirm the swap. The system immediately locks in the rate, avoiding surprises caused by market volatility. I also appreciate the transparency. Fees are clearly displayed before you finalize a transaction. However, I noticed that exchange rates could sometimes be slightly higher than traditional exchanges, so it's best for users prioritizing convenience over saving every penny. Changelly Pro, the advanced version, offers features for active traders, such as customizable trading pairs, a full order book, and reduced fees for high-volume trades. While I mainly use the standard exchange, I found Changelly Pro well-suited for more complex strategies. Customer support is robust, with a 24/7 live chat feature that's responsive and helpful. They also provide educational content, which is a bonus for users who want to expand their crypto knowledge. Security-wise, Changelly is non-custodial, meaning your funds are never stored on the platform, reducing the risk of hacks. In conclusion, Changelly is ideal for quick, hassle-free transactions, especially for those swapping smaller amounts or exploring new tokens. While it may not be the cheapest option for large trades, its convenience, reliability, and user-friendly design make it a top choice for many crypto enthusiasts.